Back in 15 minutes. I didn't put a rear camera onto the subframe, but I really don't have to. The 360 is gonna capture a shit ton. That's pretty sad. Oh shit. I'm glad I'm riding this to give me, you know, I haven't ridden the XR since Bruce first got this. I'm gonna make a U-turn up here. Yeah, this bike is comfy. This is going to be good for 9 days in the Pyrenees. Okay, so I'm going about 70-ish. miles an hour. Audio is good. At least I think it is. Test it on playback. I have audio both from my GoPro and the 360. That's good.
Yeah, shit. Not good.
Okay, let's see.
Again, it's due for a full service, so.
Mm-hmm. And tires.
And take care of everything.
I hope they have the tires in stock. Have you checked?
Not yet. I'll find out.
Tires are in short supply these days.
Your thing stayed in there.
The what? I've got enough for this, so it's not a big deal. So if you want to stick around for half an hour, I can show you some video, but or if you want to come back.
I'll come back, because what I'm going to do, well, from what I hear from Diane yesterday, so I came up to get some shit done, and we had somebody that was going to be moving in today to NASCO for a short 2 months.
Yeah, you guys got a free $16,000.
Sounds like he said, okay, we'll give you 1 month. I feel horrible. Okay. So now she's trying to get it back on the market.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be able to come back up and do some more things there.
I'm going to be in Florida next week.
Oh, good.
Not this week.
Is that the new watercolor place?
Yeah.
Fun.